Hai semua, hari ini Cikgu Chang akan membuat video unboxing parcel-parcel yang cikgu dapat daripada Cytron Crazy Sale pada hari itu. Crazy Sale hari itu pada 30 November ya. Cuma hari ini cikgu akan buat video unboxing. Dan delivery dia pun agak cepat dalam masa seminggu macam itu walaupun dari Bukit Mentajam ke Sarawak. Okey, jadi inilah parcel-parcel yang cikgu beli semasa Crazy Sale hari itu. Jadi mari kita buat video unboxing. Okey, so mari kita tengok ini. Okey, ini ialah giveaway sebenarnya. Giveaway, cantik dia punya kotak. So apa yang ada? Okey, ini ialah giveaway t-shirt. Okey, giveaway t-shirt. Okey, yang cikgu ikut untuk buat post dalam Facebook. Okey, ini ialah hadiah dari giveaway. So thank you. So next. Oh, ini ialah Zombie. Okay, produk terbaru, jadi kita nanti boleh buat unboxing untuk Zombie ini. So, mari kita tengok what is inside the box. Wow. Okay, this is inside the box. So the first one is sticker. This one is DIY kit. Okay, DIY kit. We have model building. 2, 3, 4. Wow. 5, 6, 7. 8 and 9. This one is model building kit bundle. There are 3 DIY building. Okay. All of them are model building kit. So this is mechanical bundle, electronic bundle, and rover bundle. Okay, so 3 bundle, 9 products. This is 3D printing book, 3D pen printing book or drawing book. Okay. So this one. Okay. Like this lah. Okay. Is that the shirt? Ding! These are the shirts. What's next? let's see what is inside the box. Okay, this is sticker set 2. These are the receipts. DIY wooden rock climbing monkey stand kit. Climbing monkey. This one is the penguin. Penguin kan? Yeah, wooden penguin walking. This one is laser alarm system. Laser alarm system. DIY wooden electric energy conversion kit. This one is the fan kit. This one is wooden crane stand kit. DIY pneumatic hose. Education DIY wooden air walking exercise machine. Walking machine. Wow, this one. The hydraulic set. Wow. Okay, so these are the DIY STEM educational kit. Okay, so this is the filament. The yellow one, the yellow filament. Then this one is black filament, 200 grams. Next one, also the black one filament. Okay, inside the filament there is a silica gel to absorb the moisture. These are still the filament in blue color. These are still the filament. Okay, let's see. These are the red one. These are the blue. So I have red, yellow, blue, and black. Okay, 4 colors. Okay, actually I'm not so sure how to assemble it. So after this, I will try to assemble the 3D printers. Okay, so this is the invitation cards by the next customer of Credit Clubs. Okay, this is the 3D printing industry at the least. Okay, so after this lah. Okay. The last one is this one. This is the pen for the printing, the 3D printer. So this is the 3D printer pen of the cover. So this is the cover for the 3D printers. Okay. So basically like this.